Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Stripe account. Well, this is really easy. You have to just go to Google, search for Stripe, click on this first link of the Stripe here. On the top right, you will get this option of sign in. Again, click on it, right? And here you have to just wait for a few seconds. Now we are creating a new account, so we have to go and click on create a account, right? Which is in the bottom here, in the middle. Now here you have to enter your email address, your full name, your country, and your password and click on create account. Now once you have added all the information, it will ask you to verify your email, and once you verify here, you have to complete all these steps. So continue activating payments. As you can see here, we have to complete the profile. So click on complete profile here. Now here you have to enter all this information, your business type, personal details, business details, add your bank and each and everything. So once you have added all this information, then only you will able to use Stripe, and then only you will able to access your payment section, each and everything. I hope you found this video very useful. If it did, subscribe.